Hey everyone, welcome to video 2 of our 5-day Comprehension Crash Course. Today we'll explore why kids typically struggle with reading comprehension and why school assessments can be especially challenging. A common reason is difficulty with word recognition and decoding. When reading becomes an exhausting process due to struggling with decoding, students focus so much on sounding out words that they can't move on to understand their meaning. This leads to an issue in grasping the full picture. Another key factor is students reading texts that are too difficult. This is extremely common in the upper grade levels. For example, a fourth grader might be expected to comprehend fourth grade level text for a reading assessment. But if they're only able to decode and understand at a second grade level, then they will struggle to form the necessary connections. Without literal comprehension, moving to the critical thinking stage becomes even harder. I'll dive deeper into the right reading level in video 3. But for now, let's touch on why many students struggle with progress monitoring and standardized assessments at school. From my experience as a classroom teacher and test prep writer, many students find it difficult to progress from literal comprehension to critical thinking, which is essential for answering complex comprehension questions. By third grade, assessment questions shift to critical thinking, where students need to make inferences and connections between their prior knowledge and story clues. For example, they might read a passage and then be asked to infer a conclusion not explicitly stated in the text, rather than simply identifying the main character or problem. They may need to answer multi-part questions using specific text evidence, pick the best answer from multiple options, or provide a written response backed by text evidence as proof. These tasks demand higher order thinking skills as outlined in Bloom's taxonomy, which goes beyond simple remembering and understanding. School assessments challenge students to apply, analyze, and evaluate, requiring critical thinking for comprehension. So, how do you help your child excel on these assessments? Consistent practice and exposure to a variety of questions at their appropriate reading level is crucial for developing these skills. Simply reading and recalling isn't sufficient enough for standardized tests such as these. By practicing regularly, students can build the bridges and connections needed to interpret questions effectively and identify the right answers. So that's the essence of reading comprehension challenges and how they impact students' performance on school assessments. Make sure to join me tomorrow as we dive deeper into finding that just right level of text. See you then.